Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on outdoor gear with REI, beginner guide step by step clearly. To save on outdoor gear with REI, start by signing up for an REI membership. Membership is free and provides access to exclusive discounts and rewards. Next, check the REI website regularly for sales and clearance events. These seasonal sales often feature substantial discounts on outdoor gear. Consider shopping during the REI Anniversary Sale. This annual event offers some of the best deals of the year. Look into the outlet section on the REI website for discounted items. The outlet features past season gear at reduced prices. Review the REI Garage Sale page for special, limited time offers. These events often provide additional savings on returns and demo gear. Take advantage of the REI Co-op membership rewards. For every dollar spent, you can earn a percentage back in dividends. Participate in REI's used gear trade-in program. This allows you to exchange old gear for store credit, helping you save on future purchases. Follow REI on social media or sign up for their newsletter. These platforms often announce exclusive deals and sales. Finally, consider combining discounts. Using REI gift cards or your member dividends can enhance your savings on purchases. By following these steps, you can effectively save on outdoor gear with REI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.